All right, guys, we're doing 2024 Bowman Chrome Baseball HTA Choice, 4-box Ram Teams Break 6. Thank you for joining in. Thank you again for your support of Firehand Cards. We appreciate you guys very, very much. 29 spots in the break. Athletics and Cardinals are one combo team. This break is Super Factor Bounty eligible. The bounty's now at $600. See how many times we'll randomize the list of participants and teams for this one. Good luck. All right, going to add 1 to the next roll. We'll do 1 plus 6. We'll do the full 7. All right, Duke's at the bottom, Frank up top. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, James Clark top, Shothan bottom. Angels top, Yankees bottom, 7 clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. 6, 7. Okay. Padres top, White Sox bottom. All right. 101 Rays, BC Nationals, Brantley Lee Phillies, Cash and Dad Giants, Cobia Finder Mets, Dean Lee Tigers, Delay Dodgers, Doug Brown Braves Astros, Dukes Pirates, Frank Marlins Blue Jays Rangers, Falker Royals, Foxconn Marine Yankees, Hayden Reds Guardians, James Clark Padres, Jaw Rock Brewers, Jeremy Hirsch Orioles, Jay Tables Red Sox, Coburn Mariners, Lucky Black Cubs, M. Coons Diamondbacks, Newman Athletics and Cardinals, Ryan Stew Twins, Shothan White Sox, Lyar Angels, WDA Cock Rockies. It's Becky Lynch, actually. Okay. All right, for the Marlins, Carlos Sanchez. Marlins for Frank. Got a gold shimmer refractor of Jerdrick Profar to 50 for the White Sox going to Shothan. Purple to 250 Carlos Batista Nationals going to BC. For the Reds, Dominic Patelli, Hayden 20H. Yoiber Acopio Padres for James Clark. Excuse me. Josh Adamszewski, the $2.99 for the Brewers, Speckle Auto. Brewers to Jarrock 82. For Dodgers, Ron Elkins, going to delay 18. For the Red Sox, Marvin Alcantara, Red Sox J tables. Francisco Valorio, Yankees, Foxco Marine. And for the Padres, Refractor Auto, Yoiber Acopio. Padres again, James Clark. All right, Theron Lorenzo for the Dodgers, base autograph. Dodgers delay 18. I got a choice auto to 150 Leaker Figueroa. The Braves for Doug Brown. Julio Zayas for the Mets to 499, going to Cobia. All right. No super in this one. We did get a bonus auto, though, so it's a total of 13 hits. All right. Here's your recap, guys. Thank you, everybody, for jumping in on the breakers will be pulled. All right, base autographs, Carlos Sanchez, Dominic Patelli, Yoiber Acopio, Ron Elkins, Marvin Alcantara, Francisco Valorio, Theron Lorenzo, Refractor Autos to 499, Yoiber Acopio, Julio Zayas, Speckle to 299, Josh Adamszewski, Purple to 250, Carlos Bautista, Choice to 150, Leaker Figueroa, and a Gold Shimmer to 50 of Yurdrick Profar for the White Sox. All right, that'll do it for the break. Thank you for joining in, and thank you guys again for your support of Firehand Cards, and congrats to our lucky hitters in the break. Until next one.